Have you seen this happen? A WhatsApp group that once shared jokes, memories, and laughter slowly becomes a place of arguments. Not because people stopped caring, but because ego and opinions became stronger than connection. By end of this episode, I will share a simple three-step inner shift that can instantly soften the ego and help you remember what truly mattered when your friendship began. Welcome to Inner Quest Healing Talks, conversations for stress to bliss. I'm your host, Ravindra Murthy. Many of us are part of school and college WhatsApp groups. These groups reconnect us with people who shared our classrooms, laughter, and some of the most informative and formative years of our lives. But over time, conversations change. Topics like social issues, politics, and beliefs enter the conversation, and people start expressing strong opinions while others disagree. Slowly, what started as a small debate becomes friction, and this friction creates emotional distance. And finally, friendship built over years come under strain. Today, let's understand why this happens and how to protect friendship without suppressing yourself. At the surface, it appears to be a disagreement of ideas, but under the hood, something deeper is happening. Yes, an opinion is rarely just information. It's often tied to your identity, your values, your sense of being right. So, when someone challenges that opinion, the nervous system doesn't interpret it as a discussion. Instead, it interprets as a threat, and this activates ego protection. And ego is not arrogance. Ego is the part of us that wants to preserve our identity, and it starts saying, I must defend, I must prove, I must not lose, and so on. And when ego leads the conversation, the connection, the relationship, the friendship quietly steps down, and most people are not trying to harm the friendship, they are trying to protect their sense of self, identity. And without awareness, opinion gets attached to the identity, and this attachment makes you emotionally rigid. And this is why you might have observed small messages can trigger strong reactions. Not because of the message itself, it's because how this message is interpreted in your mind. And here is something important to remember. Especially in friendship groups, we have to understand that friendship existed much before these opinions came in, right? Before political beliefs were formed, you shared experiences as human beings and friends for a long time. Imagine your school or college WhatsApp group. One of your friend shares a political message, another friend disagrees. Over a period of time, replies becomes sharper, and some friends stop responding, some avoid the group, some feel hurt but remain silent, and some even leave the group to avoid this conflicts. So why is this happening? Why this opinion is being reinforced? And why is this discomfort or the clashes that happen typically in the WhatsApp groups? It's not because of hatred, but because ego replaced shared humanity and the purpose of the group that was created. The real danger is not disagreement, the real risk is losing the friendship itself these days. Yes, friendship was not built on ideologies, it was built on a shared presence, shared growth, and shared vulnerability. So, whenever you're in this kind of a situation, try this three-step solution. Step number one, return back to you emotional memories. Try this simple inner act. Just pause for 10 seconds and visualize your school, college days, the classroom, the playground, the laughter over small trivial things, the conversations you people had without filters. At that time, there was no need to dominate, no need to prove superiority. As children and teenagers, we didn't measure friendships based on opinions. There was less ego, less judgment, more acceptance. Now, ask yourself gently, if this same opinion was shared when you were in school or college, would you have fought to prove yourself right? Just think it over. Remember, opinions are temporary and friends are permanent. For instance, even when I was a student, we used to fight over petty issues. However, all those fights would dissolve over a coffee break. We used to pull each other, laugh at the situation, and move on. When you reconnect your emotional memory, ego softens naturally, and from that softened state, you get clarity so that you can choose wisely. Step 2, respond to the person, not just the opinion. Respect the relationship even if you disagree. Respond calmly, or sometimes it's wise to stay silent and not respond at all. Not because you're weak, but because you recognize what is more valuable and prioritize your friendship over that opinion or a discussion. Step 3, know when to disengage. Not every discussion needs your participation. Remember your friend who is sharing his or her opinion in your group. See their younger version. See both of you in those simpler days and notice what you feel. Before reacting to any message, softly tell this to yourself. This is my friend first, and later comes the opinion. Let the awareness guide your response. Not every opinion needs your defense, but every meaningful friendship deserves your awareness. So remember, peace is not losing, peace is choosing what matters more. Today, take a moment to remember the emotional foundation of your friendships. Notice how reactions change when you see the person beyond the opinion. And if this episode resonates with you, share this with someone who truly cares. It might help protect a friendship that matters. Friendships are not built on being right. They are built for a bigger cause. Yes, opinions will evolve, ideologies will change, but the emotional imprint of a friendship can remain if we protect it consciously. So if you like this episode, Please do subscribe and share it with your friends and family. This is your host, Ravindra Murthy. Thank you for joining me today. Take a breath, take it slow, and remember, bliss begins within.